This is a track stand, an incredibly useful skill when mountain biking. You don't even have to put a foot down and you can get straight back riding. Sometimes when you're on slow or it's slippery and you just need to do this when you're getting around a corner, you can get straight back on it and go. The best place to start your track stand is on a slight incline. As you go up, you're going to slightly press your back brake and then turn your wheel into the hill. As you do this, you're going to slowly maneuver back and forward, and it will help you get your balance. You're not going to get this first try, and practice will make perfect. Right, the first step of doing a track stand is going to mean you've got to have your brakes working. Your back brake is going to be really important when you're going for the track stand because it can help you manoeuvre. You're going to need to let go and put it back on to help you. Turn and go forward and backwards if you lose your balance. The secret is using your brakes and the pressure of your pedal to slowly go back and forward on the bike. You need your body up and your hips out so you can have the full balance that you need. If you keep on doing this, you'll master it in no time. Right, second step is when you're coming into the track stand, as you've held your brakes, you need to either decide where you're going to put your wheel, left or right. You'll figure out when you start doing it which one will feel more comfortable. For me, it's my right. As I do this, I lean over my handlebars and I'm just finding that balance point in the bike. I hope you've enjoyed learning how to track stand. Be sure to like and subscribe and watch more of my videos. Have fun track standing.